Now let us look into time and date in Ruby. So there is a class called time. So let us create an object for that. T is equal to capital Time. This is a class, inbuilt class. So for that we are creating an object. So now we got all these values inside the T. Now we can say T dot year. Year is a method inside the time. So 2005, 15. And what is the month? It is the March when I am creating this video. That's why 3. T dot day. You can get the day 4. So this is Wednesday. That's why it is giving 4. Thursday. So like this, if you there is one more method T dot ASC time. So it will give Wednesday, March 4th time and the date. So there are a lot more methods available in the time class. So we know how to get the methods, like type methods dot SWOT. We are shorting it. So like this we can get it. See here there is a mon, mon. Let us try that. T dot mon. So, or we can check it, like we can check it. They say when we are T dot mon, it is giving 3. We can check even whether it is a Monday or it is a Sunday, it is Saturday, or we can convert it into the integer, to the string, to the float, to the enumerated data types. So let us see some of them. Let us say T dot whether it is Monday or not, question mark. So it is sending false. Let us say T dot Wednesday. So it is saying true. So like this we can place this in the if statements. According to the day we can execute the code according to the requirement. So now let us say T dot local time. So this is the local time, and there are many methods, useful methods. You can check them all here. So, and let us see some more methods, like say last one I will be trying this zone. It will be telling the time zone. See here India Standard Time, because I am in India, it is giving India Standard Time. So like this you can play around with all these methods, and hope you understood how to use this inbuilt classes time to get the date and time, and you can place them in the if statement. If Monday, you should have to execute some code. If Wednesday, you should have to give some offer to the students. If Friday, you should have to declare it as a holiday to the school. According to the this inbuilt class, we can use them in our program. Hope you understood. Meet you in the next video.